guys? Welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we're always smiling. Oh my god, went to bed a little bit late, probably like 1 o'clock. I was on the phone. It was just crazy, man. And I think Ia came to wake me up at 6 something. Really, I wanted to wake up at 6, but whatever. I mean, it's almost like you're on a work vacation, I guess. But anyway, we're gonna cook something today, this morning. Hominy Porridge. I've done this before on my channel, maybe once or twice, but the reason why I'm doing it because it's Ia's favorite porridge, and I mean, for most Jamaicans, it's our way of starting off the morning, like cornmeal porridge, hominy porridge, or oatmeal. Drop in the comments which one is your favorite one, and I'm gonna sit here for just a little bit, and then go get myself ready, and then start cooking. Alright guys, so if you might have seen in the video before, I had put some hominy corn to soak. I'm not going to toss this water because this water has the starch off of the corn, so I will leave that. I already had the pot on there, so throw in the water. I don't want to fill it up too much. Hold on. And then we're going to strain the corn. Once that's done, we're going to close the pot, you know, make it simmer down and actually soften up. So once the corn is softened up, then we can do everything else to it. We can flavor it, we can season it. But I'm going to put the cinnamon leaf in there as well. Alright, so we'll have some cinnamon leaves. Drop those in there. And one thing I found to be key for my I know I don't like salt, but it's key for my hominy porridge because I find that it just brings up the flavor, yo, like heavy. So I don't normally salt it like a pinch of salt. I probably use a little bit more than that to really intensify all the flavors I'm going to throw in there. And yeah. So we tried the corn. They're soft enough. Of course, we're gonna cook it a little bit longer, but you know what? I think it's a lot of corn in here, so I'm gonna take out some of them as much as it's Hominy Porridge, you don't want it to be too much, so take out the next spoon. So all about balance, ain't it? So that's coconut milk that's went in. It's nice and rich and creamy. You can use whatever coconut milk you want. You can grate our coconut if you want to do that. You can use the coconut cream in a can. You can use the powdered one. Really don't matter, to be honest. And then from this point onwards, I'm just gonna, as you say, season the pot, I guess. So this is the mace, and this has rich flavor. So throw a bit in there, not all of it, but most. Grate your nutmeg. A hint of cinnamon stick. Stir that in a little bit. One thing I hate when cooking these, because as the milk goes in, it gets hot. It'll go overflow. So you have to be very careful with that. Probably not cover the pot all the way down. Some vanilla, some coconut oil, a little tubes of molasses. I like doing that because it gives it this kind of a, molasses has a very like rustic taste that not many people use it. So once it goes in there, it's kind of like, you know, what is this flavor? And you know, molasses is virtually sugar, but just a bitter version of it, the waste product of the sugar. And here brought up some margarine, some chiffon butter, and butter just adds a little bit of salt, and I don't know, it's kind of weird. It's kind of like a fatty flavor, which I like. Anyway, here's gonna be the whole judge of that, to be honest, because not many people do it the way I do. But I don't like basic food. Sorry, not sorry. And we just tasted it just now. Let me tell you, man, the flavor is great without even the sweetener added in. So I don't know, drop in the comments. But I'm so accustomed, when my grandmother was telling me like condensed milk these days is not the same as back then. So don't mind if you see me pouring a bunch of condensed milk in. I'm gonna try to make this a taste, because I know Iandra doesn't really like sweet stuff, especially if you're cooking for people. You try to do it, you know, to their liking. So, you know, we consider it. So hopefully this isn't too sweet, so I'll try it first. And already it has a nice little thickness, not too thick. And if I need to adjust anything else afterwards, I can just add a little bit more of whatever I need to add. Oh, I forgot something. So adding a little bit more, because I'm gonna add some more water to this. If I can stretch the porridge so that the overseer here can get some, I will do it, because you know, we kind of want more feedback. You know, some persons watch the videos and say, oh, this don't taste good because it's different, but I don't mind criticism. If you see the steam going, you can probably notice there's a nice steady wind up here. It's It's really relaxing. How you guys feeling down there, man?
Great.
Feel good?
Cool and nice.
Cool, nice.
We're keeping the link.
Keeping a link. Alright, my added touch, I'm going to add some a bit of ginger. Yeah, you get it. Alright, so we have a piece of ginger. Really and truly, if I remembered about it. Well, you know, more times you're cooking and you just forget. But if I remembered about it, I would have done it up already with the cinnamon when I first was boiling the corn, but no big deal. And my aunt showed me this when I was in New York. You know, my auntie Bonnie, she made a oatmeal porridge, and you know, I think American gingers, they're so big and they're very tender, not like these, which is a lot more firm and more pungent. But anyway, she sliced it up, put it in the oatmeal porridge, and when I had it, I was just like, yo, what the hell is this? And I was like, yo, this is ginger. And it was fantastic, man. So usually I would grate it, but I can't. This time I just mashed it a bit, and I'm gonna boil that down maybe for the next 10 minutes because I need the ginger flavor to go through. It's very important to me. You have to always make sure you keep stirring it because the corn, they're heavier at the moment, so they'll keep sticking to the bottom. Alright, so we just added a little bit of brown sugar, maybe like maybe 1 heaped tablespoon to it, just because I like the flavor profile of brown sugar. It just has that, you know, traditional kind of feel to it. I know Aya likes her, she doesn't care how the porridge is. Razor don't want it too thick. I added a little bit more water to give it some more cook time, so the ginger can boil out in there properly and have a nice flavor. And I think generally porridges they're boring. Let's just be quite honest with it. It's just basic flavors. I think they were invented for persons on a smaller budget. When I was growing up, I mean, cornmeal porridge was quick and easy, cheap to make, but you have to make it have some nice flavor dimensions so that it's interesting to eat. So hopefully this one is very good, and hopefully I don't get like a failing grade. If you think it's good, then drop it in the comments and let me know, and Aya and Razor will be the judge today. Alright, I think this has got to be done. I had moved some of the coals to give it less heat, but I know it's still gonna be super hot, so took it off now, and I think it's at a nice consistency. You can see where corns are still up top, means that it's not falling in. Actually mixed cornstarch, but I never needed to, and that's all because the water that I had soaked it in before, that has all the starch, I never tossed it. Just use it back, and it's our vibes. Alright, so I remember seeing a couple comments from people saying, yo, you like seeing when guests come on the show, and that's why I do this, you know. That's what you guys want to see, and if I can make it happen, I make it happen. You don't know, no Razor for years now. Did couple collabs way back. I always been my brethren. Aya knew Aya as well. You see me? Oh, this, I always take out these stuff. Like, do not serve me my porridge with all these stuff in there. Like, I cannot eat them, so don't put them in the plate. Like, if 1 and 2 get left back, I mean, no problem, but like, don't, it's just a turn off for me. Even the ginger, if you can find it, get rid of it, man. Because people be eating and then boom, bite right into a ginger. But anything that gets left back, if you can't find it, you just can't find it. So, porridge ready and thing. Vibes. Nervous. Hot another bottom.
It's hot?
Yeah.
Ooh, thank you so much.
You're
Smells so good.
Me I go walk away, I don't want to hear what you have to say. I am gone. Because I am competing versus your stepfather. Maybe I can come in second place.
Smell good. One more. I know the hat's supposed to drop when I say one more.
You're about not sure, right?
Yep.
Ibby, come here. Ibby, come here.
We're nervous. Oh.
Duffy, now you take this. For that.
You don't like it?
No!
This is a prank. This is a prank. Don't even try. Don't even try. It's a prank.
It is so good. It is good, guys. Me is a porridge person, so I don't want to be biased. It is so good. My stepfather made the best what a porridge in him? Corn porridge. But you know what I love about this? It's rich and I can taste the smoke in it. And it just makes me feel like me the outdoor and it tastes so good. And it thick. It's not watery. And I love that. Sweetness, it's not bad. It's perfect. I don't like salty stuff, I don't like sweet stuff, so it's good. I really love it. And I can taste, you use coconut milk, Ibby.
Yeah.
Yeah, taste the coconut milk. And for somebody with the outside of camp, and him come here come soak them. The corn don't tough. The corn perfect. He did a good job.
I'm on razor. This is going to be the toughest one because razor blade don't seem like a real porridge fan, you know, but
No, I'm not a porridge person.
What? Let me get my manager on the phone soon, yeah? Alright. Corn porridge. Taste this.
It's so good.
According to the taste and the buds.
I can't bother with you.
Hold on. The porridge itself, epic. I don't really like tough corn. You know, say your corn have like two different texture. You know, when it's extra golden, it's tougher. When the yellow, it's softer. I don't know if people use the other.
the extra golden one we use.
Yeah.
For richness.
For richness, I know, 'cause I could feel it as I'm rich.
Manifest.
Manifest, bro.
But yo, I like the way how it chews in it though. It's not like, you know, when it's tough when you eat it, otherwise, the way it chew with it, it adds to it. I like it. Hold on.
Oh, you mean the corn with the porridge?
Forgot says I taste this, but they just drink it off like. As a person I love porridge, I give it 8 out of 10.
Nice.
I give it 8. I don't love porridge, but I love how this tastes.
Mad.
You know, make me feel like say, yo, I'm not gonna eat it off.
So you guys get perfect perspective. Because there's people who just don't like porridge.
Yeah.
This is the man here, you see me, and here that loves porridge.
Yeah.
So it's a vibe. You're not gonna see me eat it because you guys.
I feel honored.
Eh?
What is porridge used for?
But-
Okay.
I told you it's rich.
Vibes.
What is porridge? What is porridge? This porridge rich in. What kind of nutrients we can expect to get?
I mean, corn have
Corn is the maize. What have
Starch?
again? It have starch. I don't think it's like. Drop it in the comments, guys.
I really want to know. I don't want to say
I would say
because it
carbs.
might sound stupid. But no, it's a corn of starch still, but
Coconut milk, protein.
you think it beneficial? I mean, other than it busting gas.
Gas.
You see that, guys? Razor blade is not only an entertainer. Razor blade is a brain buster.
Okay, cool. So since
Yeah.
you're that, then what you think?
No, I'm a brain buster. I ask a question.
But
I don't
you know
want
the
to answer. I don't want to answer.
Whoa. That was nerve-wracking, especially the prank part. I was like, yo, you see me, but yeah, you don't know things that already. Yeah, I'm not gonna show myself eating it. I go pack some for the site supervisor. Maybe if I get the chance, I'll tell you what he thinks. And yeah, I'm gonna end the video here. Remember the 3 things: love, nature, and adaptation. And if you think the porridge was epic, you think you'd have like to try it, just drop in the comments and let me know. And always remember, keep the link. Yeah, what you say, Michael?
This is extremely amazing.
Really?
Trust me. Trust me, one of the best me ever tasted in my life.
Yo, I had to record, but him say it himself without me even asking, so I got it on camera for you guys. Yo, enough respect, bro.
Yeah, man. Respect,
And
man.
thanks for the awesome customer service. I'm gonna put his number in the description box and the general location for this place so you guys can book it yourself and enjoy this awesome view.